Hello warriors, welcome to the video. This is the third video of the video series. In this video I will show you something that you will be able to make by your own after watching the videos of HTML series. Okay, so the website I will be showing you is made by me on the basic HTML language. Okay, so let's go for it. So as you can see on the screen, the website Yes We Can is based on one channel name. It's made by me on the basic HTML code and I'm sure that you all will be able to make this after watching the HTML video series. Okay, as you can see in this video I have used some images, also I have used some videos and which are in working condition. Okay, they can be played in on the website, and also I have given some links which will connect you to the another pages. On that another pages you can find some other videos linked to it. Okay, and also some links to my YouTube channel is given here, and also some buttons are given here. So you will be able to do this all things after watching the HTML video series, so stay tuned for it. Thank you.